Hello everyone. The project I'm doing is the bank customer churn probability. First is to identify and visualize which are the factors contribute to customer churn. And second is to predict if a customer is going to churn or not by using the supervised machine learning decision tree and predictions based on the data to find out the reason of churns in order to make it easier for customer service department to set their strategy in their effort to prevent churn. Here we have a dataset, data content, predictions, and suggest strategies. The first thing is to get the data. So we'll go through the process which we call awesome. First is obtain the data. Second is to do a data cleaning. And next is do a data explorations to find a significant patterns and trends by using the statistical method. And the next is to construct a model to predict and forecast. And the last is to do interpretations on the data. As you can see, this is a data set consists of 14 columns with 11 usable informations and 10,000 rows of data. From the data here, there are customers who have exited or churned but still have a balance in their account. What would this mean? Could they have exited from the product or not the bank? From the data extraction process we will do soon will give us a better information. From the data content here, as you can see, the proportions of customer churn is 20% or 20.4%. Most of the customer is between the 30 to 45 years old. And for the female, it's slightly more than men for churn. For the customer has credit card, has more churn number compared to the customer who doesn't have the credit card. And for the inactive member has more churn number compared to the active member. And there's no much significant difference for the tenure. As you can see here, the older customer are churning at more than the younger. This could be due to a difference in service preference in the age category. The bank may need to review their target market or review the strategy for retention between the different age groups. Credit score is about the same. The customer with longer tenure are more likely to churn compared to those that are average tenure. The customer with more balance also have a higher churn level. The bank is losing customer with significant bank balance, which is likely to hit their available capital for lending. As you can see from the heat map here, the age and the balance have positive high correlations with the churn or exited level. That means the customer with old age and the customer with high amount of balance have higher probability to churn. And active status have negative correlations with the churn or exited level. The next is doing the predictions. The accuracy of the prediction is at 83.93%. The first is the customer with age less than age 42.5 with the number of product more than 3 and balance more than 56,000 will mostly churn. Second, the customer with the age more than 50 and active level less than 50% will mostly churn. Next, the customer with age more than 42.5 with active status more than 50% with number of product more than 3 will mostly churn also. From the data train process and predictions, as we can see here, the old age group customer are mostly churns, while the middle age group with high balance long tenure and more product are mostly churn also. The last is suggest strategies for the banks. The first, the bank should take customer service to the higher level for strengthening relationship. Second, to take good care of the old age customer, such as to show respect, patience, and brush up on communication techniques with the old age customer. Next is to offer one-time promotion to let the existing customer to enjoy the same benefit or interest rate for the new or future product, to let the existing customer to enjoy and to prevent them from churn. Fourth is to offer the lower interest rate to the customer with long tenure. Next, the bank should sensitive to the advantage of promotions doing by other banks, such as credit terms, interest rate, investment product terms, etc. And this is the suggestions I give to the bank. And thank you very much.